Hi everyone, Murph here with Rick Stover, the owner of PJ Fitzpatrick. Now Rick, can you help our neighbors who want to replace their old leaking roof? Many want to know if it's possible to get an American-made quality roof that's affordable.
Murph, the answer is yes. Over our 40 years in business, we've helped tens of thousands of our neighbors replace their roofs with America's premier shingles made right here in the U.S. Combine those durable shingles with the most cutting-edge ventilation and insulation solutions, and we've got quality covered. That's why all our work has a lifetime warranty and is backed by thousands of 5-star reviews.
Well, thanks Rick, that's outstanding. But now let's drill down on the affordability part. How are you going to do that?
Well, we've negotiated with our banks to bring folks great financing if they need it. For example, right now we've got 0 down, 0 interest, and 0 payments for 12 months. And we have plans to fit any budget, like our super popular plan where you can get a new roof for as little as $99 a month. That's less than a new car payment.
That's tremendous, Rick. That kind of flexibility will really help people.
For sure. Our customers tell us they prefer PJ Fitzpatrick because we complete most jobs in just 1 day and stand behind them with our lifetime transferable warranty on shingles and installation.
A lifetime warranty that's transferable. That sounds like a great investment if you ever sell your home. And 1 day? That's impressive.
Well, after 40 years, we're proud to say we've mastered the art of the 1-day roof installation.
Folks, PJ Fitzpatrick bringing you American-made roofs affordably and efficiently. And Rick just told me that if you call this week, they'll take 20% off all roofing materials and 20% off installation. Wow, that's 3 ways to save. Seriously, folks, I would call PJ Fitzpatrick now or visit trustpj.com.